Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and prepping both devices. This is why battery level matters. Low power breaks pairing mid-process. Turn Mocute on, then press and hold its pairing button until the LED flashes. This signals discoverable mode. On your Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and enable it. Make sure no other active Bluetooth audio devices are connected, because interference can prevent discovery. Once you see a new device entry, don't tap it yet. Keep both devices stable for the next step. Now you pair and configure. This is where most issues arise, so follow each prompt. On Android, tap the Mocute listing, accept any pairing request. Common PINs are 0000 or 1234, and Android usually fills this automatically. After pairing, Android may show it as an input device or gamepad. Allow required permissions so key presses register. If button layout is off, use a lightweight mapping app to remap inputs, but only install it after verifying native. Finish by testing and addressing problems. You want a working controller before jumping into gameplay. Launch a basic game or a gamepad tester app and press each button to confirm mapping and responsiveness. If the Mocute is unresponsive, toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot your phone, then re-enter pairing mode. Often that clears transient faults. If problems persist, clear Bluetooth cache in settings, check for system updates, or try a different mapping app. One key tip: repairing after a restart resolves most stuck pair issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.